section, we will learn about some introduction to cybersecurity. This is the module 1 and understanding cybersecurity, the importance of cybersecurity and cyber threat landscape. These are the three sections which we are going to cover in module first. So let's start with the cybersecurity, that what exactly it is. Let me take the highlighter first. Okay. So now, if you want to understand the cyber security, it is nothing but protecting the digital data. Whatever your digital data is, the protecting of that particular digital data is known as the cyber security. Now, from what part, from which persons, or you can say why we are protecting that particular data, the digital data actually. So we are protecting it from unauthorized person, from unauthorized access, because let's take an example. If you do have a bank account and you do have internet banking, right? Now what will happen uh, if your internet banking access already I have, right? And I can withdraw the money, I can see the amount of money in your bank. So that should not be happen, because your money is your money. Your money should not be seen by anybody else. It cannot be withdrawn by anybody else. You are the person only who can withdraw your money, right? So if I am unauthorized accessing your data, or you can say the your money, then it's you can say the fraud, or you can say the in terms of hacking, right? So for that perspective, we do have the cyber security to stop these unauthorized access, right? So there is a lot of things, but this is the very simple way which I try to make you understand this, that what exactly the cyber security is. Now, it encompasses various strategies and measures to keep data system and network secure. So there are a lot of tools. There are a lot of things. Let's say to secure the network, to secure the cloud, and in that we do have the firewall, antivirus, EDR. We have SOC, the incident response team, the monitoring team, that is the SOC, and a lot of things. We do VAPT, right? So with the help of these things, we try to secure your digital information or digital data. So it involves safeguarding not only personal data, right, and also critical infrastructure, business and government institutions as well. Similarly, all these information, whatever I had told you, these contains all the same information. Just but this is the one of the main one, the phishing one. Now, what exactly that phishing is? So you should be very aware about this phishing. That what exactly the phishing is. So it's nothing but when I send you some legitimate, uh, email, right? But actually it contains the malicious data, and you are clicking on it, and your information, you have compromised your sensitive information. So that's what the phishing, and you will be getting know about the malware, ransomwares, all these kind of things step by step in these videos. So that's it in this video, the understanding of cybersecurity. I hope it helps.